Stop believing the Dolby Atmos marketing hype. So which soundbar actually delivers real cinematic sound, instead of just bigger numbers on the box? Today, I'm revealing the smartest Dolby Atmos soundbars that outperform the competition in real homes, not just on paper. Like the video and subscribe for honest soundbar reviews that help you buy smarter. Comment. Make sure to tell me what the next video should be about. And check the description for best prices and product links. The Great Spec Sheet Deception. Before choosing the best Dolby Atmos soundbar, we need to clear up one of the biggest myths in home audio. Many buyers assume that a soundbar with more channels or more speakers is automatically better. Seeing labels like 9.1.4 or 11.1.4 makes it easy to believe that bigger numbers guarantee a better experience. But that's far from the truth. A high channel count only works when the soundbar has powerful processing and intelligent room calibration behind it. In a perfect room, almost any premium soundbar can perform well. But most homes have open layouts, high ceilings, large windows, or furniture that changes how sound travels, making accurate surround effects much harder to achieve. This is why many expensive soundbars disappoint. They may include dozens of drivers, but without effective room correction, the surround field can feel disconnected. Dialogue stays locked to the front, while rear effects become inconsistent, leaving gaps in the soundstage instead of creating the seamless Dolby Atmos experience people expect. The real game changer in 2026 isn't simply adding more speakers, it's smarter software. Advanced room calibration can measure your listening space, adjust every driver, and optimize the entire system for your room. That's why a well-tuned soundbar with fewer speakers often delivers a far more immersive and natural experience than a larger system with weaker processing. The ecosystem king, Sonos Arc. Taking the third spot is the Sonos Arc, a soundbar that follows a very different philosophy from its competitors. Instead of including rear speakers and a subwoofer in the box, Sonos focuses on premium design, outstanding software, and a system that can grow over time as users add more speakers to their setup. The Arc features 11 carefully engineered drivers arranged in a 5.2 channel configuration, including upward-firing speakers for Dolby Atmos. Even without dedicated rear speakers, it creates an impressively wide front soundstage, with excellent dialogue clarity and convincing height effects that extend well beyond the physical soundbar. One of the Arc's biggest strengths is its incredibly simple setup process. Through the Sonos app and TruePlay room calibration, the system measures your room and automatically adjusts the sound for better balance and accuracy. This intelligent tuning helps the Arc perform consistently in different room layouts while keeping operation extremely user-friendly. Where the Sonos Arc truly excels is music playback. Its balanced tuning, detailed stereo imaging, and refined sound make it one of the best standalone soundbars for everyday listening. While movie enthusiasts may eventually want to add a Sonos sub and rear speakers, the Arc remains an excellent choice for anyone who values premium design, outstanding software, and exceptional music performance. The sensible champion, Samsung HW Q930F. Taking the runner-up position is the Samsung HW Q930F, a soundbar that delivers flagship-level performance without the flagship price. It strikes an excellent balance between features, sound quality, and value, making it one of the smartest choices for anyone who wants a true Dolby Atmos home theater experience. The Q930F is a complete 9.1.4 channel system that includes the main soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, and dedicated wireless rear speakers with upward-firing drivers. This creates a genuine surround sound environment where audio moves naturally from the front of the room to the rear, producing a far more immersive experience than virtual surround alone. Samsung also includes SpaceFit Soundroom Calibration, which analyzes your room and automatically adjusts the audio for better balance and clarity. Combined with powerful bass, clear dialogue, and convincing Dolby Atmos effects, the Q930F performs exceptionally well across movies, TV shows, and gaming while adapting to a wide variety of room layouts. While it doesn't quite reach the refinement of Samsung's flagship Q990F, the difference is surprisingly small, considering the price gap. The Q930F delivers outstanding value, offering most of the premium experience at a more affordable cost. For many buyers, it's the perfect combination of performance, features, and price, making it one of the best soundbar systems available in 2026. The undisputed king, Samsung HW Q990F. The Samsung HW-Q990F takes our #1 spot because it delivers the most complete Dolby Atmos experience we've tested. It's not just the impressive 11.1/4 channel configuration that makes it special, it's how intelligently Samsung uses every speaker. Instead of relying on big numbers alone, the Q990F combines premium hardware with advanced processing to create a truly immersive home theater. The system includes a powerful soundbar, wireless rear speakers, and a redesigned wireless subwoofer that work together to produce an incredibly wide soundstage with deep, controlled bass. Whether it's overhead Atmos effects, fast-moving action scenes, or subtle background details, the Q990F creates a seamless 3D audio bubble that fills the entire room with remarkable precision. Its biggest advantage is SpaceFit Sound Pro, Samsung's advanced room calibration technology. By analyzing your room's acoustics, it automatically fine-tunes every speaker for balanced audio, clearer dialogue, tighter bass, and more accurate surround effects. This intelligent optimization helps the system perform consistently, even in challenging room layouts where many soundbars struggle. The Q990F isn't just built for blockbuster movies, it also delivers impressive hi-fi music performance with clean vocals, detailed instruments, and excellent stereo imaging. While it's one of the most expensive soundbars on the market, it justifies its premium price by offering reference-level cinematic immersion and outstanding music quality in one complete package. Final conclusion. The biggest takeaway from this comparison is simple. Don't judge a soundbar by its channel count alone. Smart room correction, powerful audio processing, and overall tuning matter far more than simply adding extra speakers. A well-designed system will almost always outperform one with bigger numbers but weaker software. If you want the best all-around Dolby Atmos experience, the Samsung HW-Q990F is our top recommendation. If you're looking for exceptional value, the Samsung HW-Q930F delivers flagship-like performance at a more affordable price. And if premium music playback, elegant design, and a simple user experience are your priorities, the Sonos eARC remains one of the strongest choices available. Ultimately, the right soundbar depends on your room, your listening habits, and your budget. Instead of focusing only on marketing claims, pay attention to real-world performance, room calibration, music quality, and how well the system fits your everyday use. If you enjoyed this comparison, like the video, and subscribe for more honest soundbar and home theater reviews. Which of these soundbars would you choose for your setup? Let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.